Nati. Okay. We are coming. Welcome to Teletubbyland. Okay. Idea is coming too. Fui. Hello, everyone. I still really like the dinosaur. Okay. Luktube is coming too. Pan. Okay, Pam. Fui, are you in home or are you somewhere on the way? Fui. Fur is quiet. Ah, Fur is in home. Fur is at home. Idea is also around. Oh, pretty room. I like this room.
ใช่
Beautiful.
เจอเห็นได้ก็มันเบา
Beautiful room. So now we are seven students are online. Very
นี่มันมีแอ
good.
ร์ลง
Okay.
ลืม
Hey, what happened? Hey, are you okay?
yeah
Yeah. What are you doing, Fei? One by is coming. Wow. Okay. Fei, what are you doing? Where are you? Now you might.
at home
I am
teacher
at home. Okay. Are you okay at home? Quiet.
yeah
Yeah. Okay. So, okay. I will open quick my list. Oh, Pan is eating. What are you eating? Oh my God. All noodles out from your mouth. Is it delicious? Okay. Dutch milk is coming too now. Ah, I click open.
Good
my-
afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Faye is coming too. See what clothes she wears today. Ah, Faye's camera is still closed. So no, this is the wrong grade. Why I have the wrong grade? This is here. Okay. Hello, Heidi. Are you okay? Quiet. Heidi maybe didn't hear me. So, let me see something quick. So now we are, how many students we are now? 12. Okay. 11. Pau is coming too. We wait for a minute too. One.
มันเลือกไม่ได้
So, okay.
แค่นี้โอเค
Okay. No ready. Not have. Okay, good. So last time we worked on fraction, and I saw in fraction a lot of students have problems to go through the fraction. So today I like to repeat about fraction because we will work in the next future, we will work in the fraction. Today we will work together on Zoom. We also are going to work in your workbooks a little bit. Monday is holiday, right? Am I correct? Is Monday a holiday?
yes
Yes. Okay. So Monday, school told me I should give you a holiday. So next week are a lot of holidays. So we have Monday, Wednesday, and Wednesday is, I think, birthday, right? And Friday is another holiday again. Okay, so I make a screen share so you see my other screen. and we go together through fraction there. I make this on. Okay, here we go. Share screen. Okay, Alice, she is online, still online with grade 4, so I cannot see my screen. Do you see the screen IEP mathematics fraction? Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this is working. So fraction vocabulary. First, we need to learn a little bit about the vocabulary. Vocabulary means every thing has special words we have to learn for we know what is what, because in Thai you have other words as than in English. So as example, we have there the numerator and the denominator. Numerator and denominator. We already spoke about that. So we have upstairs, we have the numerator, and below we have the denominator. Denominator. So the denominator tells me about the fraction. Fraction, for we understand what is a fraction. If I take as example, I take a glass, and this glass or this dish fall on the floor, then this glass and this dish goes in many, many fractions. So we say we cut something into many pieces. Something is broken into many pieces. So these pieces are fractions. So we have here in the vocabulary, how we call it is as example, a fraction bar. So the line between the fraction, we call there a fraction bar. The upper number is the numerator and the lower number is the denominator. Together, we call it fraction. In Thai, you say suan. So the upper number, it tells how many fractions do I have from a whole. The whole means everything together. I have one cake, one pizza, one chocolate. And I break this chocolate or this cake or this pizza into pieces. So as example, we take the pizza again. I like pizza. So we take the pizza again. I cut the pizza into 4 pieces. That means do I have one full pizza? I need 4 pieces. Now I have only one piece of these 4 pieces. So that means the fraction works in this way. Full would be 4 pieces. 4 fourth. But here we not say fourth, we say quarter. Try to remember quarter. So we have here 1/4. In the next one, we have there common denominator. And there we had the problem last time on the worksheet. Because in the last time on the worksheet, you had not common denominators. The common denominator means the lower number is the same. So here I easy can plus these numbers because I not need to change anything. Unlike fraction, what we had last time is this here. That means the denominator below is different to the other number. So we have different denominators, and this we can only fix with multiply. So I say always multiply is the most important in math. If you are good in multiply, you can make any solution very, very, very quickly. You need in division, you need multiply. In fraction, you need multiply. So every calculation, what you do, the multiply is the most important. We have the notebooks in the last page of our notebooks. I just look, we have a notebook here. We have there the multiply 1, 2. I just don't know it now. I have to look in the notebook. We have there the multiply from 2 till 25. from 2 till 25. To find the common denominator, the same denominator for I can plus this fraction, I need to multiply. Same as example, I multiply this here, 3 multiply 2, I get 6. Can I do it? No, I can't. I multiplied of 3 is 9. I still can do it. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. With 12, I have the common denominator. So because I multiply the 3 of 4 times, I get 12. I multiply the 4 of 3 times, I get 12. So is the way for I can find the common denominator. We will make this after correctly together. Okay. Then we have as example the vocabulary equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. That means you see in the graphic below, you see everything is same big, but the fraction is different. The first one.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, dear. Are you
It's
okay?
me.
Yes.
Yes, it's me.
Yes, MJ. I hear you, MJ.
Okay.
Okay. Now I lost.
I'm a little bit
Okay.
late.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
We just started already. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Don't worry. Okay. So, okay. We have equivalent fraction means not about the pieces, but the whole is same big. And the pieces also in a same way. As example, we have here 1/2 is the first one, 1/2. The second one we have is 2/4, and the third one is 4/8. So 4/8, 2/4, and 1/2 is the same amount. We have there equivalent fraction that are equal in size. So all these fractions are equal. Only the difference is how many times I divide this whole into different fractions. Okay. Oops, this was the wrong one. So now we have here always a part. A piece of the whole we call there part of the fraction. So we have here's example, we have here a fraction, we divide here into 4. So here, this piece, I divide it into 4, so I get 4/4, 4/4, and one of these is 1/4. So we have all together is 4/4, but one we call a quarter. So as example, 3/4, 1/4, 2.
Teacher, louder, please.
Okay, can you hear me now better? It's better now?
Yeah.
Okay. I am always worried I am too loud for your ears make boom.
Hello?
You know? Yes, you
Hello?
yeah, hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
ไมค์อยู่นี่ ไมค์นี้ไม่ได้ ใช้
Can
ไม่
you
ได้
hear me?
ได้อยู่ Can you hear me right now?
Yes, I can hear you.
No, teacher.
Can you hear me? Huh? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, I worry. One time I am too loud,
Okay.
another time I am too silent. So we have to find here, wait, I try to get quick in my settings. Settings, audio, video. I try to make the output louder. Now, is it better now? Can you hear me now well? Input volume. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, I make it louder.
Yes. yes.
It's better now. MJ? MJ? MJ. Automatic adjust. Okay, try. MJ? MJ not answer. Ploy, can you hear me? Ploy, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. Okay, so then we can go back. I guess MJ is just busy in the moment. Okay, we go back to our parts. So we have there parts, a piece of a whole.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, now I hear you. Yes.
Okay.
Hello, hello. Okay. Okay. So we go here in the vocabulary back in our vocabulary. The part means a piece of the whole. The whole means everything. I have a whole pizza. I have a whole chocolate. I have, give me an example. MJ. MJ. DJ MJ.
เลยมันช็อตเหรอ
MJ is quiet again. Okay, I just
Yes,
go.
yes.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, I just go further now. So now we have vocabulary.
Teacher.
Yeah. Yeah. What MJ? MJ. MJ.
มากเลย
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me now?
What did you say?
Oh my goodness.
แค่นี้เจ้
Your microphone, your speaker have a problem, or my microphone has a problem. Can you hear
Mine
me?
doesn't have any problem, but I'm sure it's yours. I cannot hear anything.
You cannot hear anything. Heidi,
Yes,
can you hear me clear? Or am I silent?
yes,
Yep. Huh?
clear.
Clear. So other student hear me clear. Only MJ here not hear me clear. MJ. Quiet again. I think it's some problem with his computer. Okay. We go back with the vocabulary again. Vocabulary we have there, improper fraction. Improper fraction means the upper number is bigger than the lower number. The upper number is bigger than the lower number. We say there is an improper fraction because as example here, we have 7 half. We cannot have 7 half. We can have 1 half, a half we can have. We cannot have 7 half. So we tell there an improper fraction because there I have already some holes in there. But this we go later in the book again.
เสียง
Then we have equivalent fraction, what we said before just, and we have the simple form where we simplify the fraction. Okay. And we have mixed numbers.
Hello.
MJ, yes?
Okay. I can hear you now.
MJ, what? MJ, do you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, good. And in the ending here in the vocabulary, we have the mixed numbers. Mixed numbers we have here mean as example, we have here 1 whole and 3/4. That means 1 I have whole and the second one I have only 3/4 of. So 1 3/4 we say here. 1 3/4. Okay. So we have here as example, this we will take on later about the vocabulary and about the future calculation, what we are going to make. Fraction, percentage, and decimals are the same way of calculation. So we have there, they go hand in hand. So fraction, percentage and decimals that go hand in hand. So everything what you calculate in fraction, you can change into percentage, you can change into decimals. As example, we have here upper the fraction 1. 1 whole means 100%, means 1.0. A half means 50%, means 0.5. Same, you have 5 baht, you have 1 baht, meaning baht. 50%, 50%, the half baht is 50 stang. So that means 0.5. And so we go on, we can change every fraction into percentage and from the percentage into this decimal. The same goes opposite too. Every decimal what we have can change into percentage and we can change into decimal, into fraction. I'm sorry. So we have there percentage conversion and summary. We have there, we change from fraction to percent, from percent to decimals. The decimals we change into percent and from percent again into fraction. This we are going to study in the follow time. But before we start this all, we have to get back on the basic of our fraction. So I saw many students did not understand how to change how to change unlike fractions into like fractions. So it is everything about multiply. So as example, I have here extend fractions. So I have, you see under amount, it is always the same amount, but with more pieces. So an extend fraction means I make something, the pieces smaller. I make smaller pieces of the same whole. The whole, as example is here, this circle is a whole. And what I do by extend means I make these pieces smaller. Extend fraction means I make the pieces smaller, but the amount is always the same. So this amount and this amount is the same. In the next one, I reduce fraction. So for you understand why do we extend fraction? Extend fraction we need when we have unlike fraction. Same you had on the worksheet. Last Friday, you made a worksheet and many students were wrong. Many students could not do the worksheet. For this, we repeat everything here again. Okay. So we need to extend. We need to extend the fraction when we have unlike fraction. That means I like to plus 1/2 with 3/8. 1/2 and 3/8. I cannot just plus. I need to extend. I need to extend the fraction. So first I have this 1/2. 1/2. I have to extend to 8. So I have to multiply this 1/2. So there is the way how I extend fraction. You see here and this here, again, the amount is the same. Here and here, the amount is the same, but the pieces are smaller. They are much smaller pieces. So there I extend, as example here, I extend 3/9 extend with 6. So that means I multiply แปลว่า Alice ผมคูณใช่ I multiply คูณ 3 multiply 6 9 multiply 6 I get out 18/54. So when I finish calculate, when I finish with this duty, I need to reduce the fraction. That means, as example here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces of 16. I can reduce this fraction because the amount is always the same into 1/4. So I reduce the fraction, make the number smaller, reduce. And you see when I reduce, the pieces get bigger. I extend, the pieces get smaller. I reduce, the pieces get bigger. So try to remember extend fraction, extend, pieces get smaller. Reduce fraction, pieces get bigger. Everything what I show you here now in this presentation, I send you on a PDF file for you can repeat this at home. Teacher from online. Okay. So we have here improper fraction. An improper fraction means the upper number you see here 35 and is bigger than the lower number what I have here 6. So an improper fraction 35 6. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pieces for one whole. So then I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whole. And I have from the 6th one, I have 5 pieces of this 6th. So if I make this here to a proper fraction, this is improper because the number bigger, upstairs is bigger than the lower number. If I make it to a proper fraction, anyone can tell me what you have to write there. If you make this here to a proper fraction, what you have to write there? Oops, sorry. I just went shortly out. Here we go. No, I already showed it. Okay, no problem. So we have here 5, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whole pieces. So we have here 5. And the sixth whole, I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. So we write there 5, 5, 6. 5, 5, 6. So convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. So this what we have here, we can make also opposite. So opposite way would be, I make this number what I have here. This is a proper fraction now, 5, 5, 6. This here is improper. That means I just count everything together. Improper fraction into proper fraction. I can make both way. I can make this improper fraction, this proper fraction into an improper fraction. So as example, I have here 7, 1/5. 7, 1/5. Anyone can tell me what is the improper fraction? How do we call the improper fraction then? Same I say here, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 whole. And from the 8, I have just 1/5. So every whole is divided into 5. What is the number of this here? What is the number of the improper fraction? Who can tell me? What is the number of the improper fraction? Who can tell me? Anyone can tell me? Pan. Pan is finished eating now. Now he has a full tummy and is tired. Okay, Pan, try. You have here 7, 1/5. 7 1/5. Now this is a proper fraction. This here is proper. I like you make it improper. Same, remember, I go back one page and the page back. Oh, why it stopped now? One back. Back, back. Now, this is the improper. Improper. This is the proper. Improper fraction, proper fraction. I like from you, you make from this here an improper fraction. Can you tell me the number for the improper fraction? What number would be that? Can you tell us? ได้ไหม ได้ไหม Wow, came off. I don't know. I cannot do is not a problem. Okay. If you cannot do it, just tell me. Easy. Okay. Same last
you-
time. Again. I hear microphone.
ใส่ส่วนเกิน
I hear microphone, but I don't know who was it. I pick Faye. I like to hear her voice. Faye, can you do this? Can you make out of this here an improper fraction? ได้ไหม
ใช่ไหม
Teacher,
Yeah.
I think I already know the answer.
Okay. MJ, then give me the answer.
Yes. Is it 36 over 40?
36 of
40.
40. Why 40?
Yes.
How you get on 40?
What?
You mean what is the lower number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lower number is 40. MJ. What is the lower number? What is the denominator by you? The denominator must be the same number 5, not another number. Must be the same
Okay.
number. Tell me again. You have connection problem, I feel. The correct answer is 36, the better right number, but this lower number we call fifth. Fifth, not 40. Fifth. Okay? 36 fifths, because when you count everything together, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So now with this, you have 35 pieces, and here you have one more, is 36. One whole has 5 pieces, so we say there 36 fifths. 36 fifths, okay? So we have there 36 pieces from this, what is a whole in 5 pieces. And the last one, what we have here before we go in our book, fraction to decimals. Same, so you see here as example, you have here the fraction 10 of 20s, 10 of 20s, this is the fraction. You like to change into decimal. Decimal is always 100 because 100 สตางค์100สตางค์เป็น1 บาท okay 100 cent is 1 euro, so there's always 100 to 1 whole. But of this here, this what you will study the next days, the next weeks. Fraction to decimal, fraction to percentage. This what we will study in the next time. So when we go on our book, we have there an exercise on page number 13. Can you open page number 13, everybody? Workbook, page number 13. Workbook, page number 13. So in the workbook, you have here as example, one whole. And then you have to have here the denominator and the numerator. So what is the denominator is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. So we have here the denominator is 16. The numerator would be here. The numerator would be here 8. Numerator, denominator. So the same what we have here, we make on this side too. So we have here one whole we have. It's the same pieces, one whole do we have. So we have 1. And on the other side, we have here, how many? That's 16. 16. 12, correct. 12. So now when you compare the pieces, which one of these two fractions is smaller? Which piece is smaller? Which piece is smaller? Always the smaller side you point to. So you have there, the smaller side is here because I have here only 1 8/16, and here I have 1 12/16. So here, this here is bigger. This here is the left side is smaller. The amount is smaller than on the right side. So we point here on the left side. Okay. Now, what am I going to take? Dutch milk. Dutch milk. Can you tell me how many pieces are there, Dutch milk? How many pieces do I have here? How many pieces do I have a full? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many pieces do we have?
4.
4, correct. Okay. How about the other side? How about the other side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have again 8, right? How many pieces do we have?
3.
3, correct. So we have 3. So which one is smaller? The left or the right is smaller? Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? The left or the right is smaller? Dutch milk. Smaller แปลว่าเล็กกว่าใช่ไหม Which one is smaller? Right side or left side? Which one is smaller? Where's the amount smaller?
3/8.
3/8. 3/8. Okay. 3/8 is smaller. So we go with our appointment on this way. Okay, good. How about this here? Now we take Heidi. Heidi, she's professional in fraction. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14.
3.
So we have here 14. How many whole do I have? Heidi, how many whole do I have?
3.
Correct. 3 whole. And how many pieces do I
7.
have? 7. Correct. Very good. Okay. So take the other side. Faye, How many whole do I have?
2.
2. 2 is correct. Okay. When the Zoom breaks down, we reconnect. Okay. Any moment it goes close, and then we reconnect again. So, and then we have here 16